Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set your Tuta mail into dark mode. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to set your Tuta mail into dark mode, you just simply have to open your Tuta mail application. Now, after opening the Tuta mail application on your device, you just simply have to go to settings by clicking into this gear icon on the bottom left side. Just simply click into that, and you will find this appearance setting in settings. Click into that appearance setting. Now, from the appearance setting, you will get the switch color theme setting under the setting for this device option. You just simply have to tap into here. And now, you can set the theme into dark mode by selecting this dark option. Now, after following these very easy steps, you can also easily change your theme into dark mode in Tuta. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.